Hey folks, it's Rob, and so sorry I can't actually be here with you all live today, but I am traveling home from my big adventure. It has been quite the adventure, and I know many of you knew I was heading into the backcountry to make my quilt, the easiest English paper piecing quilt ever. And spoiler alert, I did get to do some sewing on the quilt, but I ran into some automotive problems. Good old Sanford here, she has 335,000 miles on her, and yes, I got to get creative in the backcountry 5 miles away from the nearest cell signal. And here we are back on the road. I'm in Salem, Oregon right now, and I'm between trunk shows today. It's Wednesday when I'm recording this for you all, and I am so sorry that I won't be able to be there live with you. I'm going to set it up as a premiere so you may all continue to type along and have a blast. Apologize for the noise in the background, folks, but I just realized what was going on, and there's no way that I was going to be able to be with you all for another Friday Fun Day. I will be here next Friday live, and in between, I've got an incredible trunk show from Alex Anderson herself. It's a wonderful video she put together with my Aunt Charisma about all of the awesome quilts that she has on display in her home. I really know you'll love it. Check that out Wednesday, and until I see you on Friday, thanks again for always following along. Yeah, funny enough, I've been really kind of worried. There was something going wrong. It was loose up here. I almost didn't bring this vehicle on the trip for fear that it might break down. And I am so blessed right now. The breakdown has happened, and I've come up with a solution, and it's going to be a little bit of a challenge getting home. But now I know it's not the transmission, and I can get home. Praise the Lord. All right, let's move on to the adventure. I don't even really know how to document this. It's been a couple hours since the panic started. I knew I was having some problems, and my gear shifting for the automatic shifter has literally broken clean off of my steering column. I am able to put my finger in this spot right here and shift the car in and out of gear so I can get from park to reverse and into drive. So the adventure continues. I was able to figure out how to lock this piece here into park so that the battery goes off, and I had a beautiful hot springs. I was out there in the hot springs, and the sunlight. Good morning, everybody. It is day 2 of the adventure, actually day 3 if you really count when I left home, and things have not gone according to plan. So I'm still really hoping I get to shoot this video for you all today, but right now I am completely out of power, and my car is broke down. Well, it's not broke down. If you remember, I fixed it last night, but yes, to shift it, I have to put my finger in this hole and move it up and down as I drive. So I spent a lot of time trying to deal with that situation yesterday and lost track of my power unit. So what's really happened is this screw backed out and the rest of the housing broke completely off. So I have figured out that I can put the screw back in to secure it in the right location, and then I can use baling wire, much stronger than the zip ties I have, to secure it so that now I can at least use the shifter unit again as I need until I get home 800 miles from where I'm sitting today. So yes, the backcountry mechanic wins again. Little baling wire. Amazing.